3300.
Fa un giretto, sì.
An MRL Traction elevator. Thanks to the staff which allowed me to film this elevator.
Bello questa linea. Bellissima, no?
Very slow door opening. 7 pairs of 135 kilograms, just on 4990. This is a very nice Schindler 3300 customized cab. Sorry. Came here for a wedding. And I have to say that this is a very, very elegant building. Wow, watch out this solarium. It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool, guys. Holy shit. That is very outstanding and wonderful. Wow. I'm glad to see this. Wow. That is just awesome. I will take another ride. What a wonderful location, guys. Located in Bacoli, Naples, Italy. One of the coolest Church 300s that I've ever seen in my life. Okay. Absolutely a wearing mode. A wedding wearing mode. So then, and once that this location is very nice, that's it for the first part. Now the panoramas. This is very amazing. These are natural rocks in this hotel. Wow. That is wonderful, guys. What an architecture. Watch this, these are true rocks. Oh my gosh. These are very nice. My gosh. What an outstanding thing. That's it. I'm gonna take you here. Oh my gosh. I'm not finished with videos. This is the very wonderful, spectacular garden. This fantastic location, boutique hotel, restaurant. It's a complex. There are some children here on the left. The sea, and that is the castle of Baia. You can see all of that right here. It's a fantastic location. Villa Gervasio. Oh my gosh. Wow. They are talking about me. There are many members of my family. Wow. other views, other perspectives. But that is all the same, all very amazing and spectacular, very outstanding. This is what I call amazing. Wow. That's it.